What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. If iCUE is giving you a Corsair CPUID service error, your fans and lighting are not behaving the way they should. And it's pretty frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Let's jump right in. The Corsair CPUID service error typically pops up when iCUE, Corsair's peripheral and hardware management software, is having trouble communicating with the CPUID hardware monitoring layer on your system. This service is responsible for reading data from your system sensors, things like CPU temperature, fan speeds, and voltage, and feeding that information into iCUE so it can display and make decisions about fan curves and lighting. When this service errors out, you might see iCUE fail to load. Your Corsair fans losing custom lighting or speed profiles, or error messages in the Windows event viewer referencing service or CPUID. The most straightforward fix is to do a clean reinstall of iCUE. Before you download a fresh copy, you want to make sure you completely remove the old installation. Open Windows settings, go to apps, find Corsair iCUE in the list, and uninstall. Then open File Explorer and delete any leftover folders program files Corsair, and in C program data Corsair if they exist. After that, head to Corsair's official website and download the latest version of iCUE. During installation, let it install all components, including the hardware monitoring drivers. Don't skip anything. If the error comes back after reinstalling, the next step is to check whether the CPUID service is actually running. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit enter. Scroll down and look for anything Corsair related in the list. If the service is stopped, right-click it and select Start. If it's set to manual, change the startup type to automatic so it runs every time Windows boots. Conflicts with other hardware monitoring software are also a very common cause of this error. Programs like HW Info, MSI Afterburner, NCAM, and similar tools all try to access the same hardware sensors. When multiple programs are doing this simultaneously, they can block each other. Try closing all other monitoring software before launching iCUE and see if the error goes away. If it does, you'll need to decide which program gets priority and keep the others closed while iCUE is running. In some cases, a Windows update can interfere with low-level hardware drivers, like the one CPUID relies on. If the error started after a Windows update, you can try rolling back the update, or simply wait for Corsair to push iCUE update that addresses the compatibility issue. They usually respond to these fairly quickly. Running iCUE as administrator can also help in situations where the service doesn't have sufficient permissions to access hardware data. Right-click the iCUE shortcut, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. And there you go. That's everything you need to fix the Corsair CPUID service error. If this video was useful to you, please hit that like button. It means a lot and helps the channel grow. If you're still having issues, leave a comment and I'll try to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more PC fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.